guys, it's been a while since I updated. I think the last update I did was when I had just gotten home after surgery. It was honestly a doozy, and I'm still kind of recovering from that. I can't walk or anything like that really. And my leg is continuing to be swollen and bruising and burning. It feels a lot of times like they sewed a hot poker inside of me, or like a red hot something, like piece of metal is just like in my leg. So just still kind of dealing with the whole leg issue. I'm about 1,000% that we were not lucky enough to get pregnant this cycle. I was kind of hopeful. I was having some period-like cramping, and you know, I'm 10 or 11 days past ovulation, depending upon what day ovulation actually happened, and with all of my other pregnancies, I got positives on days 10. So here is the test. I don't know if it's going to focus, but they are obviously negative. I wish it would focus. But they're... I put my ring up to it, but it's just negative. Very, very negative. Put my ring back on. And then I'll show you my leg. So I'm not supposed to be up walking around, but here it is. There's bruising all back here, and you can tell the swelling from there. And if the feeling in my toes is finally starting to come back in these two, but it's pretty painful. But this pain right here is still pretty predominant. So the doctor said on Wednesday if that pain doesn't go away, then he'll have to do a second operation on that. Which, after almost dying in the first one, I'm really not looking forward to. Coming out of anesthesia, my heart would stop and I would stop breathing, and they would have to basically resuscitate me. They would like smack me in the chest and then tell me to start breathing. And so I didn't know at the time, but my husband wasn't allowed to see me for like 5 hours after surgery, as they were trying to get the pain under control and make sure I didn't die, basically. So, it's been a crazy couple weeks, that's for sure. So, my period should probably be here in 4 or 5 days or so, and then we can officially begin trying again to conceive. Honestly, I've been having some difficulties, just emotionally lately. There have been a lot of pregnancy announcements, and while I'm glad for the people that have been struggling, you know, a long time, finally getting a positive test, it just kind of makes my shortcomings seem a little bit more real. That I've tried so incredibly hard and done everything that I could possibly do, and I either fail miserably every month, or in the 3 months that I was successful, had every hope and dream that I've ever had just completely ripped away from me. So I'm kind of over it. So we'll see what this next couple months has to bring, and hopefully we'll get a positive and I can just kind of move on, because I don't know how much more of the heartache that I can take personally. But we are working on eating healthier, getting out more. It's kind of hard right now because I can't walk, so just leaving is quite difficult, but just eating healthy, taking care of ourselves, and right now really just trying to declutter and organize our house, and that's about it. I've been contemplating for a while writing a book and either selling it through my blog or through Word, Amazon, or something like that. I've been contemplating a couple different ideas. One would be fertility-based book, maybe about the things that I've learned about fertility dieting and all of that, and hormones. I've also considered doing a cookbook with two different optional emphases. One on gluten-free, which I didn't have a choice in being, or the other one in, I think I just figured out how to focus. The other one being in making baby food from scratch, how to do it, what to do. And then the other one would be frugal living tips. Tips. So I don't know. I'm still tossing the idea around, and we'll see what ends up happening with that. So let me know what you guys think about that idea. And other than that, I am alive. I'm doing well. Slowly recovering and slowly getting there. So I will probably shoot you an update again on cycle day 1 whenever it decides to come, and we will go from there. So good luck and God bless. Bye.